Hello everyone, welcome to ZEGA Machinery Product Show. Today, we bring you innovative products that have earned a reputation around the globe. The latest upgraded series of photovoltaic foundation drilling rigs, 420F, 420TF, 430GF, 430TF, 4 models. Among them, 420TF and 430TF, equipped with the latest upgraded 6-ton and 8-ton winches, respectively, to meet the requirements for drilling in the earth-moving terrain sites. Their features are strengthened structural components and increased reliability, especially in booms, feed beams, and joints, satisfying the demand of large diameter hole drilling. The rotation torque of these two series reached to 5,000 Nm and 8,000 Nm respectively. According to different needs, there are different configurations of cylinder chain and motor chain pull-up. The two diesel engines of the 430 series have a transverse layout to ensure the lubrication of the diesel engine on steep slopes. These 4 drill rigs have been upgraded for off-road drive performance. The 430GF is equipped with a variable displacement pump. It's more powerful, targeted the requirements of various diameter holes. ZEGA Machinery high-power oval screw air compressor offer users more choices. These newly upgraded screw air compressors not only provide a large flow of high-pressure compressed air, but a 25% reduction in fuel consumption. ZEGA Machinery is committed to making greater contributions to green energy and climate protection.